What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of the 86 Life where you're joining me during the daytime. I know, crazy, right? Well, I'm really excited to bring you my winter build, which is the Cusco 9-point roll cage. As you can see here, I've named the project the It's About Time project. And that's because I've had this cage sitting on the side of my garage for about 2 years or almost 2 years now, and just collecting dust. So I'm really excited to install the cage. This is just the first episode, so we're gonna kind of do an unboxing, and then I might put a couple bars together just to kind of visualize how it's gonna be. So I hope you're excited. I am. And yeah, hope you're ready to join me on this journey.
Jingle bell rock, jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, that bush was fun. Now the jingle hop.
Is that your Christmas tree? Is that your Christmas tree?
Light tree.
Where's your tree?
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Is that your tree? Give us a smile.
Thumbs up.
Say Christmas tree.
Alright, welcome back, guys. I had to tend to some winter festivities with the family, so as per usual, it is now nighttime at the 86 Life. And we are ready and excited to unbox and maybe set up the 9-point roll cage here. So let's get to it. So we'll go ahead and start with the main hoop here. Kind of has this opening of the plastic in the middle. And I just want to go over real quick my plans for these next couple videos. So I want to take you guys into as much detail as I can. So I'm probably going to be splitting up the whole project into maybe 3 or 4 videos. It really depends on how quickly I can get it done while filming at the same time. So I'm only waiting on one more thing for the cage, which is some new rear quarter interior panels, because they will have to be cut into, or you know, a hole will have to be made so that the rear bars can go down and bolt into the fender well. So waiting on those. If you guys have any clean rear 3/4 interior panels that you're willing to let go of, let me know. And I've had some people who are like, oh my God, don't cut into new panels and, you know, whatever. But sometimes sacrifices have to be made, especially if, you know, those panels are going to be kept in this car for a long time, because the cage is probably never going to come out unless I sell the car or part it out or something. So I'm really not worried about cutting up a pair of good rear quarter interior panels. It's for a good cause. So the bar looks, you know, brand spanking new, like it should. I never actually inspected it when I bought it, so or when I received it actually from the shipping company. So yeah, just as you would expect, a Cusco main hoop to look like. That's what it looks like. Let me give you guys some more detail here. So here is just a close-up of the welds. Just wanted to give you guys a better view of how the top looks. And we'll just continue the unwrap process. This is the, I guess the instructions with the sticker. Oh shoot, there's a live spider that I'm about to kill. Got him. Ah, where'd that spider go? Spider setting up home in my cage. Okay, so there it is. Let me try to give you a good view of the I don't even know what this is called. The feet, the plates. They're not the thickest plates. So I think, oops, sorry. I think they're supposed to. I think that with the back fender ones, or the fender well ones especially, that they're supposed to clamp and kind of conform into the fenders. But this bottom one, I don't know. The whole cage, by the way, is chromoly. So it's supposed to be, you know, some kind of composite that's, well, you know what chromoly is. But I don't know if it's supposed to, you know, shape with the floor a little bit or bend any. I know that it comes with plates that go below the chassis, but kind of seems like it's a little bit thin here. Should be, hopefully, good. But yeah, here are the bottom plates. There you go. Okay. And then now we'll do the two A-pillar bars here. And one thing about this cage is a I'm sure I'm going to mention this again later too, but it's a dash evade model, which means that the front bars here, the A-pillar bars, they don't go through the dash. Also, it is the model that is meant to retain the rear seat functionality. So as you'll see in a bit, the rear bars that go into the back fenders, they are bent a little bit. But we'll go more into that in a bit here. Okay, so here's the front. A-pillar bars, I guess they're called. Shoot. Freaking tape. Gotta get through the plastic. Cut! Alright, there it is. Hopefully it didn't shift that much out of focus for you guys. Sorry about all the banging noises so far too. There's gonna be a lot more of that, unfortunately. so here's that guy. Hopefully you can see, oops, you can see the welds here. It's a rounded plate that's welded onto the tube. So just like the main hoop was. And then the plate here, it's a similar gauge thickness as the other bar, the main hoop. So there's that. So we'll get one of these rear fender bars here. I don't exactly know what this is called. Is it a C? It's not quite the C pillar or a hatch. It doesn't really go back that far. So I don't really know. I'm not really sure what it's called. Yeah, these are done really well. Gonna pull it out through the bottom here. So this is what I was, which way would this go here? Probably this way. So this is what I was saying with a lot of roll bars. This bent area here is just straight, and it goes from the main hoop straight into the fender. And with this one, it's bent a little bit to maintain functionality. I think you can, I think it's called the rear passenger model. I forget exactly because it's been so long, but people are still supposed to be able to sit back there, which is cool because I want my seats to still fold down, but no one's going to be able to sit back there anyways because I have a rear diagonal bar that makes it part of the 9-point. So yeah, I guess if I ever take out the diagonal bar, I could have people back there for some reason if they are wanting to sit back there. But I kind of wanted the most functionality that I could get. So there you go. Okay, and then I think lastly are the door bars here, which I'll go ahead and open here. So on these guys here, these are the door bars and the rear diagonal bar. And I thought they were going to have different lengths, but it looks like they're all 1120 millimeters. So hopefully everything is correct here. That's kind of weird. But if you are savvy or you know a lot about cages, you probably noticed that the main hoop and also these A-pillar, I don't know what these are called, dash bars, A-pillar bar, they don't have any mounting points for my 9-point cage because these ones I got are actually the clamp style ones. And I don't think they're as good as the bolt mounted ones that have you know, welded in mounting points, but I don't know, for some reason I just chose to go with these guys. So they are the carbon fiber ones. Probably because I was really into carbon fiber back then, so I probably wanted it to match. So there you go. We'll go ahead and open this guy up here. But yeah, the two side door bars and the hatch bar are all, oh cool, there's a little the adjuster tool here for the length adjustment. And then the sticker. So the hatch bar and the door bars are all this carbon fiber style. I think it's just carbon fiber that's wrapped around the aluminum or the chromoly, whatever is whatever this bar is made up of. So there you go. The big reveal. Actually, that looks really good. Holy crap. I should have opened this a long time ago. But there you go. The sidebars. Let's see if I can get you a close up here. No, that's blurry. Other way. Is that clear? That's pretty clear. So there you go. And then here are the clamps here. And then the other two guys are just the same here, so. There you go. Same thing, and then, oops, way out of focus. So same thing here for both of these bars. And almost forgot here, I think these are all of the mounting plates in these boxes. So we'll open these guys up here. Oh no, this is something else. This is it's funny. It must have came in with the old order, but we might as well do this as part of the unboxing. These are rear JDM tow hooks. So I thought this was part of this, but it's not. But there you go. Unboxing, rear JDM tow hooks. They don't work on USDM cars anyway, but I didn't know that when I got them. Move that aside. And this must be the plates here. All right, so here we go. We got the plates here and all of the bolts and whatnot. Yeah, just your usual hardware stuff. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do a little mock-up here for you guys, just so you get a little kind of sneak peek visual. So that is just the 4-point there, and then the door bars are gonna go in like this, kind of approximately there, and each door bar is 1 point. So with these 4 and then the 2 that are going to go into the rear fenders, it's 6, and then each of these makes it 8, and then the rear hatch diagonal bar makes it 9. So there you go. I don't think I'm going to set up anymore. But you guys get the general idea of how it is going to look. And right now it's just kind of like a car skeleton. And that's about it, guys. I hope you are as excited as I am. It's been a long time coming. It's just been sitting for 2 years, like I said. That's why I'm calling it the It's About Time project. And thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't and you want to be on board for this project. And let's get one more look here. All right, and as always, thanks for watching. Take care and keep the 86 alive. Was I even on camera? Let's see.